What you doing? Yeah, he sees the camera, so he's going to get down and come see the camera instead. Oh, he got it. He's trying to figure out how to get down. I'm not getting anything cute. He was attacking her and everything, so I got the camera in. He's done. What are you doing, bud? Just your the bracelet.